Hello friends, I am Dinesh Babu. So today we will discuss about how to find nth highest salary in SQL Server or nth record in SQL Server. So we will create a global employee table, double S employee table. So let us create one global employee table and then we will insert data into global employee table. So I have inserted all the required rows and then let us select first check third highest salary using. So we will So these are the records that we inserted. For John, salary is 9,000, that is the highest salary, and Brand, this is 8,000 salary. Joseph is 8,000. So for Brand and Joseph, same salary 8,000, and then Alan is 7,000 salary, and minimum salary is 1,000 for Mark. So total highest salary is 9,000, and minimum salary or lowest salary is 1,000. Total 13 records we have. So we will target in this video, we will target how to find third highest salary. So here we have list of the queries like using nested subquery. So this third highest salary is basically 7,000. If we execute this query, then third highest salary is for Alan, right? So department ID 3. So Alan 7,000 is third highest salary. So in this we will target third highest salary. So using nested subquery we can find, and then using correlated subquery select top one salary from double S employees where 3 equal to select count of distinct salary from employees E dot salary is less than equal to E dot salary. So this is 7,000, that is for Alan. And then using minimum function and then top clause, and then so this is minimum salary as salary from select a distinct top 3 salary from double has employees order by salary descending. So let us create all these query in separate new. So we will open new query window, and then we have here so we will have this global temp table data. So we will use this table and then target to find nth highest salary. Okay, so first method is to find highest salary using nested subquery. So nested subquery concept is select. So this is select max of salary from employees, double S employee, right? So this will give us maximum salary. Now our concept is to find third highest salary. So where salary is less than, right? Select maximum salary from employee. So this will be select maximum salary from employee, and then here again we will write select where salary is less than, and then select max salary from employee. So this query will give us a salary which is less than this salary, and then this will return 9,000, this will return 8,000, and this whole query will return 7,000. So this is a subquery non-boolean specified. Okay, so where salary, okay, this salary is less than select max salary from employee, where salary is less than select max salary. Okay, so we will execute this query. So this is, so first query is using nested subquery, right? So this is first query to find nth highest salary using nested subquery. You will write second query. So this two dot, right? And then so second query is using correlated subquery. So this second query we will find nth highest salary using correlated subquery. So select, so we have this query select top one salary, so this is using correlated subquery. So top one salary from employee E where 3 is equal to select, and then you will select this count of distinct salary from employee EE. So we'll use same table EE, where E dot salary is less than equal to EE dot salary. So this is using correlated subquery. So here incorrect syntax from, okay, select top one salary from employee E where 3 equal to select count of distinct salary. Okay, here we need to close bracket, and then E where E dot salary is less than equal to E dot salary. Okay, so we will execute this query. So incorrect syntax near salary. So count of distinct salary from employee E where, okay, so we need to close this bracket, and then we will execute this query. So this is right. So this third highest salary is 7,000 for Alan. Now we will move to third query. Third query is, we will see here. So third query is using minimum and top clause. Using minimum function and then top clause, we will find third highest salary. So first we will select minimum of salary from employee E, right, and then select minimum and then top clause, right. So minimum salary from, and then here from minimum salary from, and then we will write select top 3 salary, distinct top 3 salary from employee E, order by salary descending, right. So this will give us 3 salary, distinct 3 salary, that is select distinct top 3 salary from employee E, order by salary DESC. So this will give us 3, 9,000, 8,000. Now out of this we will find minimum salary. So we will give this one name, like this will be salary cell, right, and then we will find select cell dot salary from, and then this will be, so select minimum salary. So this is 7,000, right, so for Alan. So third query is minimum salary as salary from distinct salary order by cell. So this is third query, and then fourth query using max, top, and not in an order by clause. So we will use max function and then not in clause and then order by clause. So we will find third highest salary using all these. So this is fourth query we are going to type 4 dot, right. So fourth query is using max function, max from salary from employee, and then where salary not in, select a distinct 3 minus 1. So basically we will subtract 3. So we are finding third highest salary, so 2 we will find and then subtract 2 highest salary. So select a distinct top 3 minus 1 salary from employee order by salary descending. So this will give us 2 salary. So distinct 2, so this will be the bracket. So we will see 8,000, 9,000. Now salary not in, right, and so maximum of salary from this or from the salary not in this, right, and then we will write. So this will give us third highest salary. So select max of salary from their salary not in, select salary, and then this will give us 2 salary, 8,000, and salary not in. So where salary not in, right. So maximum salary. So we will execute this query where salary not in. So maximum salary, multi-part identifier. So this is E. So actually E. So this is the, so 7,000. Now we will target using fifth query. So fifth dot, and then we will write fifth query. So this is fifth query. We are going to use minimum, right, minimum function, and then using inner join, and then this is how inner join of top and order by clause. So we will write a minimum function. So this is with this top and order by. So minimum salary from employee E, and then we need to use inner join. Inner join is select distinct top 3 salary from E, order by salary descending cell, right? So this we will be EE, right? Where inner join this on E dot salary, this E dot salary. So this will be E. So E dot salary is equal to EE dot salary, right? So this will give us top 3 salary, top 3, and then out of this top 3 we will find the minimum salary. So this will give us using minimum, or correct syntax is select minimum salary from employee inner join, this is extra bracket, and select distinct order by salary, this EE, right? And then EE salary. So this will give us 7,000. This is third highest salary using fifth query. Now we will write sixth query to find third highest salary. So sixth query is using left join, max, top, and order by clause. So using left join, we will write down query to find third highest salary using left join, order, top, and order by clause. So left join, max, top, and order by clause. So third highest salary is same. So using max function, so we will copy similar to this queries. So using max or from this, and then this E left join select 3. So this will give us 3 left join on. So this will be EE on E dot salary equal to EE dot salary, where EE dot salary is null. So this will give us third highest salary. So basically this will give us two salaries like 8,000 and 9,000, and from that we will subtract one query, and then find maximum out of it. So this will give us 7,000. That is the third highest salary. So salary is null, right? So same EE dot. Now we will find using minimum right join, top, and order by clause. So using minimum function, we will use minimum function, right join, top, and order by clause. So we will this query we found using left join. Now we will write seventh query, 7 dot. So select using right join, we were going to find it. So this will be here, we have to write, and then minimum E dot salary, and then this will be 3, right? So this will be minimum 7,000, because this is how this 3 salary, and then out of these 3 using right join we are finding third highest salary. Now we will find using this is 8th query to. Okay, so we will continue for the 8th query. 8th query is using analytical dense rank function. So using dense rank function we will find nth highest salary. Okay, so select top 1 salary, but this will come from select, we will use dense rank function. So salary comma row number, dance underscore rank. So this is analytical function we are going to use. So dance rank over partition over order by salary DESC, and then we will give this as RN row number, and then so select we will execute this query. So top one dance rank, right? So order by salary, and then distinct we will use, then we will see. So distinct salary, so this will give us dance rank like order wise descending. So 9,000 to this is right. So 7 is this. So here from the top one salary, from this from this we will give salary cell, right? So this will give top one salary, and then top one salary from, and then so this will give us top one where RN equal to 3. So RN equal to 3 means this will give us a 7,000, that is the third highest salary. So this is how order by salary descending. So this is third highest salary. Now we will using top and then order by clause, using top clause and then order by clause we will find third highest salary. So this is the query number 9. So select top one salary from order by. So here we have top and order by clause, right? So we will write here select top 3 salary from employee order by salary DESC descending. So this will give us first 3 salary, right? Top 3 distinct top order wise salary. Okay, so salary is different column. So top 3. Now we will find distinct TIN distinct DISTI and DISTIN distinct top 3 salary order by salary descending, and then using top one salary and then order by salary DESC ascending. So this will give us order by select top one salary from, we will give this name like salary. So order by salary is, this will give us 7,000, right? So and then we will use 10th query. So using top not in and order by clause. So using top clause, not in clause and order by clause. So you will find not in top and order by clause. So this query number 10. So we will use top one salary from employee, and then not in clause we need to, so where salary not in select distinct top 3 salary from order by from double hash employee order by salary descending. So this will give us 3. So we need to find 3 minus 1, and then this will give us 2 salary. So basically 8,000 and 9,000. Now we need to subtract it, right? So top one salary from employee where salary not in order by salary descending. So this will give us top salary, and then there will be 7,000. So salary, okay. So this from salary where salary not in, okay. So we need, this is inner query. So salary not in, so this subtract to 8,000 and 9,000. highest salaries, so this will give us 7,000. So this is third highest salary using 10th query. Now we will write 11th query using inner join, top and order by clause. So we will write using inner join, top clause and order by clause to find nth highest salary. So we will use inner join. So select, and this will be query number 11. Select top one salary from employee E, and then we need to use inner join, right? So inner join, and this will be inner join, and then inner join this top 3 salary. So top 3 salary from employee E, and then order by salary, so we will make it EE on. So this join will be E dot salary equal to EE dot salary, because this is using inner join. So this will give us order by salary descending, so top 3, and then this order by salary ascending. So here it will be ascending because we need to find third highest, but this will give us 3 maximum salary, and then out of these 3 we need to find minimum. So using top 1 order by salary, so E inner join EE on E dot salary equal to E dot salary invalid column name salary, so this will be salary, and then we will execute. So invalid column name salary, SALARY, right? So as ambiguous column name, okay. So E dot L, so this will be from E dot, so E dot salary, so this will give us 7,000. Ambiguous column name salary, so this will be also from E, so this will give us 7,000, third highest salary. Now we will go to query number 12 using left join, top and order by clause. So we will use left join, top and order by clause to find nth highest salary. So left join, top and order by clause. Okay, so we will write down query number 12 using left join, top and order by clause. So similar query we will use top one salary from salary, we will use left join, and then here we will use 3 minus 1, and then so this will give us 2 queries, right? And 2 higher salary 8,000, 9,000. Now we need to use left join, right? So left join EE dot salary, and then where EE dot salary is null. So basically it will subtract 8,000, 9,000 using this query, and then we will find maximum salary, so top one salary order by E dot salary. So we will write order by this descending means it will give us 7,000 as maximum because we are subtracting using left join. So this is query number 12, and then we will write query number 13. So query number 13 says using right join, top and order by clause. So we will find third highest salary using right join. So this is very much similar to above query, so we will use here right join, and then right join here we are going to use right join, top and order by clause. So we will use right join, top and order by clause. So first we will use right join, and then top 3, so this will give us top 3 means 8,000, 9,000 and then 7,000, these 3 highest salaries. So out of these we need to use top right join, so top one salary order by salary A ascending, so this will give us out of these 3, so this will give us 7,000, right? Now we will find using 12th, 13 we are done, so we will use 14th query to find nth highest salary. So using offset, fetch and order by clause, so we will use offset function, fetch, and then fetch keyword and order by clause. So this will give us a third highest salary. So offset, fetch, and then order by clause. So select salary from has employee, okay, and then offset 3 minus 1. So offset 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1 means it will offset 3. Order by salary, descending. So this will give us all these three. And then fetch 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 next. So fetch next one row only. So we will, because offset 3, and then fetch next one row only, fetch next one row only. So this will give us fetch next one row only. And then fetch offset, this is offset 3 minus 1 rows. So 8000 and 9000 we need to subtract. So this will give us offset next is 2 times, so we need to use fetch next one row only. So it will subtract 8 and 9000 and then will give. So we need to use distinct keyword, because 8000 is 2 times dist inct, distinct salary. So this will give us 7000. And then we will use 15 query. We will write query number 15 to find nth highest salary. So using CTE, and then dense rank function we are using. So using CTE we are going to find nth highest salary. So first of all we will find, we will use dense rank function. So select salary from has employee, double has, that global temp table, salary comma dense, d and dense, and denc, dense rank over partition by over order by salary, over order by salary descending. Okay, so this will give us salary as Rn equal to row number, or it will assign row number based on the salary. So this will give us this as Rn. So salary, so this 8002 and the 9000 first and 7000 this. So we will use with the CTE as, and then where CT where, and then this, right, and then select star from CTE. We are going to find using CTE. Here's from CTE where Rn equal to 3, because we are going to find third highest salary. So 7000, this is third highest salary using CTE. And then we will, okay, so now we will write query number 16 using row number function. So we have analytical function row number. So using row number you will find third highest salary. So this is the 16, query number 16. So first let us write select distinct top 100% salary from employee table, that is global temp table. So this will be global temp table, and then order by salary descending. Yes. But this is all the salaries, order by salary descending, and then cell and then select salary, comma, row number function. We need to use row number. So any row number over order by salary descending, and then we will give this as rn from, and then this will be, so rn, right? So this rn is 7003, right? So, and then we will write select star from this. We will make a subquery. So this will be, suppose, salary table where rn equal to 3, because we are finding third highest salary. So this is third highest salary. Incorrect syntax, select star. Okay, so we need to have one bracket over here. So now you will see third highest salary is for Alan 7000. So these are all different ways, 16 ways to find third highest salary or nth highest salary. We can use these queries to find any nth highest salaries in SQL Server. Hello friends, thank you for watching this video, and then you can also subscribe my YouTube channel, and then I have my own blog dbwithdb.com, and then you can find all the SQL related articles over there, and then have a good time, and then have a good day. Thank you very much for watching this video once again. Thank you.